Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Scoop Bros channel. Today we'll be going over the technique to do a bar spin and how to get better. Let's go!
What do kids wanna know about now? Seeing the devil in the bright lights now. Money and fame bring a man shame. Ain't no doubt about it. What do kids wanna know about now? I found the bottom from the top, so now money and fame bring a man shame. Ain't no doubt about it.
There are 3 steps to learning the bar spin. First, you have to know the technique. Let's get into some examples of technique. First thing that will help you out immediately is to slide your passing hand in a little bit. This helps you get the spin around a little quicker. To throw a bar spin, you must pick a way to spin the bars. Once you've decided which way is most comfortable for you, we can begin. Start by removing your non-passing hand and placing it at your side. Next, move your dominant hand 180 degrees around to whichever way you're spinning. Then, take your offhand and reach under your passing hand for the bars. Let go of the bars with your passing hand and then re-grip with both hands to complete the bar spin. Second, you need to practice the technique. Practice, practice, practice. And you don't even have to be in the air to practice the motion. Landing the bar spin will be so much easier when you can spin it without even hardly thinking about it. This will help you down the road when you want to start combo tricks. Trust me. Third, and finally, commit. If you don't commit and lean forward a little bit, you will have a really hard time landing this trick, especially out of a quarter pipe. Don't be afraid to fail. You'll come to realize that if you fail once, you're like, oh, that wasn't that bad. It'll be easier for you to try again. Don't give up on this. Keep pushing yourself. Always try to get better. As always, guys, thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check out our Instagram. We'll put the link in the description below. And we will see you next time. See ya!